What's up, everyone, and welcome back. It's your boy D Fresh in the building. We're going to cover a quick recap on today's price action as well as what to expect going into tomorrow's session. But before we do that, y'all do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. We had Tesla ease back early after showing signs of strength. We had SPY chop lower with signs of indecision, while Palantir outperformed with a strong uphill push. Going into tomorrow and what to expect for tomorrow. With the SPY, they seem to be stuck in the range. A break of today's low could trigger a massive downside, but don't rule out a relief bounce. Last but not least, with Palantir, they showing signs of momentum and could break out if the volume continues. Enough of all that talk right there. Let's go ahead and dive into the charts and identify key areas of interest for you to be out on the lookout going into tomorrow. Newbies, beginners, where y'all at? Y'all come on up to the table. First one out of the gate is going to be ticker symbol LYFT. And this one right here, they sitting at 2015. If you are a bull, you need to see them get back to these tops. 2035, they can do that. They're going to run it back to these tops. 2060, turbulence at 2070 before they next run to the higher stuff, which will be this area right here, 2085, and then boom, you got 2105 in play. To the downside, you want to see them get back to these bottoms here at 20 bucks. If they can do that right there, their next push down is going to be this stuff down here, 1955. You got turbulence down at these bottoms right in here, 1945. They break that, boom, you got 1910 in play. Next ticker is going to be the advanced traders. Y'all come on up. The big dog of the day, Palantir. They're sitting at 179.80. And this one right here, you still want to see them clear these tops up here at 182.10. If they can clear that, that's when the good stuff begins. They can push this thing right back up to this area right here at 183.90. And then boom, you got 184.90 in play. Turbulence at 185.75. And then boom, they got 187.35 on deck. To the downside, you want to see them get back to these lows right here. Let's just call it 177.40. If they can do that, next push down is going to be 176.20. And then boom, you got 173.85 en route. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol AMD. And this one right here, they're sitting at 218.90. If you are a bull, you need to see them get back to this 224.70 area. If they can do that, they can start pushing this thing. Next run up is going to be the 229.70, and then boom, right back to these tops at 233.55. To the downside, you want to see them open somewhere around 214.60. If they can do that right there, their next push down is going to be down to this stuff right here. 209.70. It gets ugly after that. Boom, you got 206.45 in play. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? Y'all come on up. First one for you is going to be ticker symbol TSLA. They sitting at 429.30. Man, they was never able to get out of my zone in here. They chopped in that area. I knew they were coming back, and I let you guys know. I kept telling you bulls look weak, and you see they start pulling down. Right here, if you are a bull going into tomorrow, we're sitting at 429.40. You would like to see them open higher than 430.30. If they can do that right there, their next push is going to be to these tops, 436.95, and then boom, we right back at 439.40. That will be a heavy level before they try to take this thing up to 443.24 and routes to some higher stuff. To the downside, you want to see us open lower than 426.20. If we can do that right there, next push down is going to be this stuff in here, 422.80, and then boom, you got 419.95 in play. Next ticker up is going to be ticker symbol SPY. And this one right here, they're sitting at 662.20. And family, man, this is why I don't play Power Hour. Look at the games that's being played in that hour. Look at that drop. That is a crazy drop. We went from 664.90 and they pulled this thing all the way down to 660.15 before they got a little bit of a bounce right there. Nonsense. That's why when 3 o'clock get here, that last hour, I very seldom have my computer open. I shut down shop because I'm not going to be tempted into playing and getting smoked out of my play if I'm in calls and everything showing me we consolidating. We had a nice move up consolidating before the next push up, and then you get this nonsense right here. It ain't worth it, but you do what works for you. If you dominating in Power Hour, keep doing your thing. I am not mad at you. If you are a bull, you want to see us open somewhere higher than 663.70. If they can do that, they're going to run to this stuff up in here again, 664.85 before, boom, you got this level at 666. To the downside, you want to see us open lower than 660.30. If we can get back down to that level right there, you got some turbulence to about 658.55, and then boom, you got 656.30. Turbulence again at 655.85, and then boom, you got 652.55 in play. All right, family, that's a few different tickets for you to put on your radar going into tomorrow's session. We back at it first thing in the morning. For you guys that's watching that's not in the Discord, make sure you come see us. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. I done took enough of your time, but if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, HUT, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button below, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.